Hello world, this is Wills and I'm going to be teaching you how you can run your Java program using a command prompt. Now if at all you have an IDE and you write your Java code in an IDE, you can compile and run that very Java program in that IDE. But if at all you use a text editor, then you will need to open up a command prompt and compile, and after run that program in that command prompt, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this tutorial. All you need to have is a text editor where you can write your program and a folder where you will save your Java file. Now in this case, I have already written a Java program. This is it. It will print hello world to the screen, and this Java program, all I'm going to do is to save it in a folder on the desktop. Let me save it. I will save it as, and I will open up a new folder on the desktop. Let me name it Wills. Enter. I'm going to save it in this folder, and I will save it as hello because hello is our class name. As you can see, hello is our class name. I will save it as hello with a capital H, hello, with the extension .java. Then save. After saving our code, it is saved in this folder and it's saved as a Java file. It's here, so we need to compile it and then after run it, but we are going to use the command prompt. So how do you use the command prompt to compile and run the Java file? You will need to come into this bar, right click in it. This will show you the path to our Java file, and this is the path. It's on the C drive in users, then Wills, desktop, and it is in the folder called Wills, and here it is. So in order to compile it, you will right click here and type in cmd, meaning command, then press enter, and the command prompt will pop up. So in this command prompt is where we are going to compile our Java code. Now what we need to know is how do we compile this Java code. In order to compile this Java code, you will need to write Java C. This means Java, then compiler, Java compiler. Then you leave a space, and after write the class where you have your main method, and in this case it's hello with a capital H .java. You put an extension .java. You write Java C, meaning Java compiler, because you want to compile our code. Then you leave a space, then you write hello.java. After you press enter. So if at all we have any errors, this will pop up. It will say hello.java on line 3 we have an error, which is we didn't put a termination, and this was expected. That's what this error was telling us. So when we go to our Java code, this is our Java code. You will find at line 3 we don't have a termination here after the system.out.println, which is an error. So when we put this and we save, then after saving, we again compile Java C space hello dot java. Now when you press enter, you will need to have this. This means that you have no errors in your code, and if you have any errors, this will come and you won't be able to run your code unless if you first correct those errors. Now here we don't have any errors, so we are good to run our code. And how do we run this code? In order to run the code, you only need to type Java. This time you don't need to put the C because you're not compiling, we are running. Leave a space and then write the name of the class where you have the main method, which is hello. And in this case, when running, you don't need to put the .java extension. Then you press enter. Now our program has run and it has printed hello world to the console. That's how you can run your Java program using the console or using the command prompt. Don't forget to comment, ask any questions if you're puzzled, and share these tutorials. Thank you.